So hi everyone, so today I wanted to talk a little bit about Instagram and cooking and photography. If you've been following my Instagram at all, you may have noticed lately I've been posting pictures of things I cook for lunch or dinner. And I really can't take all the credit for that because about a month ago my sister got me a subscription to Home Fresh, which is a food delivery service where they send you all the raw ingredients, you know, the veggies, the meats, the spices, and give you a recipe, and all you have to do is follow the recipe and cook it. And you know, so and that's why I've been posting those lately, because after I'm done cooking, I'm just amazed how well it came out. Because I haven't cooked in, gosh, maybe 10 years. So, but in any case, Instagram, you know, I try to follow as many of you guys as I can, and you know, go through your pictures, and you guys are taking amazing pictures. I'm really impressed, and you guys are much better photographers than me, to be honest. But that you know, that got me thinking this morning when I was cooking. I cooked, I think it was the chicken sausage orzato, which was delicious. But I was thinking how similar cooking is to photography and taking a picture, because really when you're out taking a picture, you're putting a recipe together, right? Or you're following a recipe. And you know, you can think about like this, like when you're taking a picture, the exposure, the lighting, that can be sort of like the temperature that you're cooking at, the heating. And then the different ingredients can be the different colors, things in the foreground, things in the background, you know, all the objects around. And then you can think about the colors, individual colors, how much color is here, how much color is there, do the colors match, are they complementary, or do they contrast each other? Very much like cooking when you're adding spices. And then, you know, you have to dice and cut, grate, whatever, all the vegetables. You can kind of think of that like maybe as composition. You know, how do you want to arrange these things and put them together? I don't know if that analogy will help you, but I'm going to try and use that the next time I go out and take some pictures, because creatively speaking, photography is very challenging for me. I still have trouble with composition and lighting and colors, you know, complementary colors. You know, I approach photography so technical, in such a technical way. You know, I'm looking at rule of thirds, I'm looking at leading lines, you know, odd numbers, you know, I'm looking at, you know, complementary colors. You know, I look at everything so technical, and it's easy to do, especially with Olympus, because, you know, there's so many features in the camera and they're all very technical. But sometimes you have to kind of step back and think, you know, what is the final image? What's the final dish going to be that's going to be delicious or beautiful, you know? What ingredients are going to make that a better picture? So next time you're out, give that some thought. I'm going to do that when I go out. It's a little bit too cold today for me to go out and take pictures, but I'm going to try that going forward. And it just something that occurred to me this morning. I thought I'd share with you guys. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. You know, I'm curious to see what your feedback is, if that makes any sense at all, especially if you cook, if those things make any sense. And if you're struggling with photography in general, maybe you can look at it that way, as you know, putting a recipe together each time before you go out. What recipe are you going to use to take the next picture based on the ingredients that you have in front of you? So, as always, thanks again for watching. I appreciate the kind feedback I'll be getting. And if you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.